The indices and sweep indicator is available for various platforms, the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file and run it by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comment tab and then click the OK button. Enable Allow DLL Imports. The indicator shows major and minor levels and indicates change of character and break of structure. Enable Allow DLL Imports. The indicator searches and draws price levels, marking change of character, and break of structure with a red line and labels. With the indicator on the chart, it starts searching and drawing different price levels. It identifies major and minor levels by displaying zigzag lines, and by drawing horizontal lines, it shows us the change of character and break of structure in the market with a red line and labels. Here, by marking higher highs and lower lows, it identifies the major highs and lows, and then the minor highs and lows, drawing a horizontal red line and labeling it CHoCH, which means change of character. This indicates a bullish trend in the market, showing that the market's nature has shifted from bearish to bullish. By marking higher highs and lower lows, it identifies major and minor highs and lows. It draws a red line, labeled CHoCH for change of character, indicating a bullish trend. The market shifts from bearish to bullish, and the price rises. A green line shows that breaking above it suggests a price reversal and market change. It also labels BOZ for break of structure, indicating a market break. Additionally, it highlights liquidity levels with IDM and liquidity showing various zones. The price moved up to the cent, and by drawing a horizontal green line, it indicates that if the price breaks above this line and closes higher, there's a possibility of a price reversal and a change in market nature from bearish to bullish. A horizontal line labeled BOZ indicates a break of structure. The indicator also marks liquidity levels with IDM and liquidity. IDM means liquidity forms in the market trend's direction. Opposite trend liquidity forms with a shadow, not closing or breaking levels, indicating collection. Liquidity labels convey this in the settings. When IDM is written, it means that liquidity has formed in the direction of the market trend. For example, it says IDM here, indicating that the trend has been bearish, and liquidity has been collected upwards with this shadow, moving downwards. If liquidity is collected in the opposite direction, meaning it only occurs with a shadow and does not close with a candle or break a level, it signifies liquidity collection. By labeling it liquidity, this concept is conveyed to us. In the settings section, under the inputs, there are options available for us. In the direction of the trend, liquidity collection happens only with a shadow and not with a candle close, meaning that the level hasn't been broken. This indicates liquidity collection, and the term liquidity conveys this concept to us. In the settings section. In the input section, there are options available for us. The first section is about the display settings. There's a dedicated template for the indicator that has 3 modes: dark theme, light theme, and auto theme. By selecting the dark theme option, a dark template is applied to the chart, which is the template currently on my chart. Choosing light template applies it. Auto changes candle colors, bullish to green, bearish to red. Swing settings, candle calculation looks back for level drawing. Change of character defaults to 30 candles before and after swing level. Breaking it indicates change of character or BOZ. BOZ set to 1 considers 1 candle for swing. Indices and sweep indicator consider 3 candles. Lastly, toggle zigzag lines visibility. Candle look back for calculations. Change of character settings, default 30. It considers 30 candles before and after swing level. If broken, it's a change of character or BOZ. BOS is set to 1, considering 1 candle to identify swing. Indices and sweep indicator consider 3 candles for swings. Show hide zigzag lines with this option. I choose light template, set zigzag lines false, click OK. Template changed to light, zigzag lines hidden. The next section is about BOZ, which is set to 1, meaning it only considers 1 candle to identify the swing for us. The following part is about the swings of the indices and sweep indicator, which considers 3 candles for it. The last part is about showing or hiding the zigzag lines, which